So, sorry about the long pause and updates, but everything's been crazy, and also I'm in the studio with the two kids, so it's never quiet. So I've gone to the laundry room, which is also never quiet, but there are no kids screaming, so I can do my update from everything since the 3rd of August. So, we talked about the 2nd of August. That was a really great day at the Christoph Meyer Science and Math Center. And on the 3rd, I went back. But because there was like a misunderstanding, well, mostly my misunderstanding, about what time I was supposed to get there, I thought it was an event that started at 12 and then continued in the afternoon. But it ended at 12. And I arrived at like 11:30. So, Dr. Sian Proctor, the astronaut for Inspiration 4, she was there talking to the kids that day. So I got to meet her as she was leaving with my kids, and then all of the kids who came to her event got a free lunch. So while they were waiting in line for their lunch, I couldn't give them a proper lesson, so I got out my solar system flip books and showed them all the cool things that my solar system flip books show you knowledge. Mostly I showed them the sun and Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, and sort of showing them how to use the flip books, and then they could see themselves, everything that they wanted. Unfortunately, I think there was also a misunderstanding with one of the kids who took my Venus book, but I can get it replaced when I get back to Europe. It's okay. It happened in the Netherlands once as well. So I think it's just like they think it's really cool, so they put it in their pocket, and then I get a little sad because it's like 15 to 20 euros per book. But it's okay. I can do that. I can get that. And then I was free for the rest of that day and just sort of chilled and went to Solana Bay with the kids and had dinner and saw a pretty sunset and got to look at the beautiful sky again. And then I had to drive back down to Mtunzini on the 1st so that I could, no, not the 1st, that was the first one. I had to drive down to Mtunzini on the 4th to get the flight from Durban to Cape Town on the 5th. So the 4th and the 5th were mostly travel days, but I'll make a separate update for the